EPiT is a company specializing in an air pollution control system that removes pollution from industrial gas and discharges clean air. EPiT carries out turnkey work, from design to construction, as well as maintenance work, and supplies main parts. Since its establishment in 2000, EPiT has accumulated abundant experience and technology in various industries. Our efforts for a better future, vision, and the accumulated technology led to the creation of the EPiT Pleated Bag. The bag filters remove various kinds of dust from polluted gas generated in industrial sites. The filter bag determines the performance of the bag filter. When selecting filtration media, it is important to consider its ability to collect and remove dust, as well as its durable life expectancy to withstand long-term repeated high-pressure dedustings. Current round-type filter bags have a limit to increasing their surface filtration area. Moreover, there is a problem that dust scattering and re-entrainment occurs due to forced dust removal by high-pressure pulsing. And it gives high stress to filter media and shortens lifespan. In case of cartridge-pleated bags, the dust is rather trapped and compressed between pleats during pulsing for dedusting. Eventually, they lose their filtering function. EPiT pleated bags overcome the weak points of the current round and cartridge bags. The EPiT pleated bag can increase the filtration area by 2 to 3 times more than the current round bag by making pleats to the filter surface. Accordingly, the size of newly installed bag filter could be reduced by half. In this case, several options can be chosen, such as reduce a number of bags by half or lower height by half. Official test results show round bags remove dust once every 25 minutes for 10 hours. But EPiT's pleated bags remove an equal amount of dust once every 100 minutes. Thus, it increases cleaning interval and reduces frequent dedusting. In addition, when pulsing, pleats are spread out by compressed air, and dust is pushed out and removed from filter surfaces, which reduces the stress on the filter media and reduces the dust scattering to lower the dust concentration inside the dust collector, thereby lowering the pressure loss and lowering the operating cost. When replacing the current round filter bag with an EPiT pleated bag, the filter area is expanded and its length is shortened, forming a lower empty space so coarse dust automatically falls down and the life of the bag is extended. EPiT pleated bags will increase dust collection efficiency and bag life, and lower energy consumption and maintenance costs. Long life and high dedusting rates, cost savings and convenient management. A company that prepares for a better future through continuous research and development. EPiT considers humans and the environment, creating a healthy future with customers. EPiT Company Limited.